8 extremely strange borders in the world. 1. USA-Canada. The border that we are talking about is the only piece of land with USA other than Alaska. It has to be accessed by either crossing a non-American region or flying directly into it. A simple cartography error that in fact misplaced the Mississippi's headwaters led to Minnesota on the shore of the lake and could only be reached by crossing Canada. You have to say this is one of the weirdest shaped border one will ever come across. Also, the population of this place is only 100. So yes, there are people who live here. 2. Netherlands-Belgium. Have you heard of offices or houses right between the border? Or say one room in one country and the other one in other? Well, this is pretty much the scenario with this border. It is located at the municipalities of Bari-Nassau and Barrel-Hertog, so there are many houses and shops here. The native people here often wake up in one country and make their breakfast in other. Confused? Well, it happens due to the rooms placed in either sides of the border. Wow! 3. Egypt-Sudan. This border is claimed by both the nations but belongs to none. The border is largely formed by sand and nobody lives in this part. This place is called Bir Tawil and is largely uninhabited. Both the countries boast their own historic boundary lines here and so claim to be the owners. Many people from both the countries regularly cross fencing lines to click photos. 4. Mount Everest. So did you know that the summit of Mount Everest is also a disputed territory? Well, the topmost point of Everest is actually placed between Nepal and Tibet. Therefore, there is a dispute between China and Nepal regarding the top. So if you tried to reach the top, you wouldn't really know which country are you standing in. Our question is simple: how does it matter? 5. Korean demilitarized border. Korean War is not a subject that people don't know about. All of us now know the massacre it turned out to be. This demilitarized zone is the border barrier that divides both the countries into two halves. This border was established between North Korea and South Korea. It was done by creating by an agreement between North Korea, China, and United Nations. Along with being the weird border, this is also one of the most dangerous places in the world with heavy forces from both the nations guarding it. 6. Diomede Islands. Now here's one of the weirdest things you'll ever see. Ever wondered what is the distance between USA and Russia from its two closest points? Well, it's just 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles. Yes, that's right. So their Diomede Island was actually divided into two parts. The Big Diomede is governed by Russia and the Little Diomede comes under the Alaska region of USA. So well, this makes both the Diomedes as acting borders between Russia and USA. 7. The Tumen River. Tumen River is actually a tri-point between North Korea, China, and Russia. This is where the China-Russia border and the North Korea-Russia border intersect. The tri-point in the Tumen River is about 500 meters in front of the Korea-Russia Friendship Bridge and about 2,000 meters from Russia. This one is considered to be an absolute one-of-its-kind border. 8. India-Pakistan. Generally, India-Pakistan border comes with a lot of tension. This international Indo-Pak border is stretched from Jammu and Kashmir to Gujarat Sindh province of Pakistan. This one is 3,323 kilometers long and is locally known as a Chachagard. This one is 3,323 kilometers long and is locally known as a Chachagard. Now you would definitely like to see some pictures of these lights, wouldn't you?